grass green, and it makes your garden grow. Have you ever wondered what makes rain though? Rain is liquid precipitation. Water falling from the sky. Raindrops fall to earth when clouds become saturated or filled with water droplets. Warm air rises, and with it rise the water droplets. These tiny drops rise if cold air blows in. Mountains can also make them rise, which is why it rains a lot there. When the air holds lots of water droplets, clouds form. If a lot of water droplets gather in the clouds become heavy. Gravity causes the water droplets to fall as rain. Rain happens in two ways usually: as a drizzle or a shower. A drizzle is a slow, light rain that can go on for hours. A shower is a fast, heavy rain that lasts just a short while. Raindrops fall at a speed of 7 to 18 miles per hour. In wind, they might fall much faster. Rain contains more than just water. It might contain dirt, dust, insects, grass, or even chemicals.